We're doing Foundation February this month, and we are on number 3. Revlon is in the house. So the foundation that we're talking about today is the new PhotoReady Candid by Revlon. It is our number 3. It's a mass brand. It's $10.99 retail. And I'm super excited to try this because I was playing with it in the store and oh my gosh, I loved it. So I'm hoping that I love it on my face. I want to give you a little description because I always want to give a description of what we're dealing with. It is a skin enhancing foundation with a flawless natural finish. It is formulated with anti-pollution, antioxidant, anti-blue light ingredients. So it is protecting you from our daily environment that has, you know what, just everything flying around. It also, that blue light ingredient that it's protecting you is from computer, phone, things that we deal with probably too much in our lives. But that is also, it actually also affects your skin. So it has that, and then it's formulated without oils, parabens, phthalates, synthetic dyes, or fragrances. So I was really excited when I read all that because it seems like a really good formula. Creamy smooth texture that goes on like a moisturizer. Love. Blends invisibly to even out skin tone. Love. Medium buildable coverage with a weightless feel. Love, love. And 31 tone matching shades. I'm hoping I got the right shade. This is always the dilemma when I'm dealing with the mass product. Again, this is at Amazon, Ulta, Target. So what I was gonna say is, again, at Ulta, they do have some testers now. So I tried this on quickly in the store. I'm hoping it's the right color. If not, I'll mix it or I'll use it in the summer if it's too dark. I'm thinking maybe it's a little too dark, but we'll see how it works. That's the description of the product. The features, I just want to go over those real quickly. It keeps skin feeling moisturized all day. And it reiterates the 31 skin tones, and it has a pump package. The only thing that I don't absolutely love about the description is the natural finish. I love a dewy finish. So I'm gonna take care of that with the Hocus Focus from Soap and Glory. So I picked this up. It is a highlighter. It's so beautiful. It gives an instant visual floss softening glow. So I'm going to mix this into the formula. I know this is a wear test on the foundation, but I just don't like a natural finish. So, you know, it's not gonna change the moisturizing feel. I don't have a primer on. I already have my concealer, my eyes are done, you know. So I'm gonna mix, well, maybe I'll put this on my face first and then put it over. Usually I would mix it, to be honest, but just so we give it more of a true test. Ooh, this smells good too. I'm gonna do a little more. I don't use much when I'm using a primer. I don't use a lot of product. You don't need to. You wanna get it into the places where you wanna blur. I wanna blur like right in here, especially because I don't use a powder. And then I don't mind a glow on my cheek, on my chin. So, okay. Let's go. So I am again using, I'm loving this brush, the Sigma Edge Kabuki. It's the F87. I'm gonna use this. It's a medium buildable coverage. So let's see. I'll go a pump and a half. I'm going to take the mirror over here. So I will say when I was playing with it in the store, it really, and I only put it on my hand. I did not put it on my face, and I haven't touched it before right now. When I was playing with it in the store, I did like how it finished on my hand, although I do like more of a glow on my face. Hence why I did the focus. So that 1.5 pumps, I think, is gonna do the job. I don't like a lot of foundation, as you guys know. I like a very natural look. So this says you can blend it. I'm gonna go all the way up. I already did my concealer, but I'm just kind of blending it out. The camo, the Tinted All Camo, I use that concealer. And it's a little heavier because it said it would be medium to full coverage, so I use that. Okay, here's the finished product. Quick and easy. I like the finish so far. I don't think it's too, it's not even as matte as, and the color's okay. I don't know, we'll see how it, I don't know if it oxidizes. I don't know. This is supposed to be an all-day moisturized wear. So we'll see how it wears and how, if the color changes or how it sits on the skin. I will say it actually has a better finish for me, because I like, and it could be because I put that Hocus Focus underneath. I like the finish a little better than the Hourglass. The Hourglass is flat. Don't get me wrong. I still love it. I love that you don't have to use much product and you can get a full coverage. It's just not something that I would use every day. Man, mass brands, this is a great treat for me because I'm glad I'm doing this month because I would never try these if I didn't. So here it is. So I'm gonna finish up my face. Again, I have my little natural Too Faced. Their blush and bronzer little palette. It's so pretty. It's great for every day. So I'm gonna throw that on real quick. I usually do hula, and if you could smell it, oh my gosh. You'd be like, this is so edible. Just warm this up a little bit. I don't go crazy. I'm not a big contour person, but I do like a little warmth in my life. And we're gonna go super natural with the blush. It's my day off. That's why my eyes are minimal. My hair is a little crazy. This foundation is pretty. And I think, I'm not outside, but I'm under these lights. The color looks pretty good. Pretty good. I always finish it up with a little Too Faced hangover. Woo, again, the scent. Too Faced, you outdo yourself with the scents of products. I know I've talked about Lancome's lip liners. They are so creamy that I don't want to have to retouch because I'm going to be doing some errands today. So I'm going to throw it on. I know I've probably said this, but they're waterproof. And I know a liquid lip is the same, but these are honestly even creamier. Just a little bit of color added, and then KKW Beauty. Loving this gloss. And I'm ready for the day. I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, you guys, I'm back. It's been around 8 hours. And I don't know. This foundation, it's all right. It's not anything to write home about. It's not terrible, it's not great. I can live without it. The wearability, it was creasing pretty early in my laugh lines and of course up in here. And I think the color has changed a bit, like it's a little splotchy. So I see like right here, it's kind of worn off here. Again, I'm not touching my face all day, so you know, that plays into it too. But it's an okay foundation. It's $10.99. What you gonna do? It's nothing, you know, like the Wet n Wild, that cushion, I'm in love with. Like, I love it. This is just a, you know, ordinary foundation. I'm glad I tried it. It's not drying at all. So the positives, it looked nice when I put it on. It's not drying. The finish is pretty fair. Like I did mix in that Hocus Focus. So I don't think if I did that, I'd even like the finish, because it's a natural finish. It's a little flat. I'm kind of lost for words, because I don't really have much negativity to say about it. And at the same time, nothing to be like excited about it either. You know, that it has the anti-pollution. I'll keep it around for, you know, so I was talking about the Wet n Wild, the cushion, and that I would take it like on vacation. I totally would. I might take this more because it's anti-pollution. Maybe if I'm gonna be out in the environment, if I'm going on a walk, or if oh, you know what I never checked? It has no SPF. So, it is good for 24 months. That's kind of nice. Yeah. I don't know if I said earlier the color's Dune. I feel like the color was okay. No SPF, so no, I wouldn't take it on walks. I don't know if you guys can see, like it's gone right there. There's like a splotch here. And then there's makeup here. It's gone from my chin. Definitely gone where I'm more oily, right in here. Gone. I'm kind of ready to be done with the subject. That's how much, I don't know. It's like, it was an okay foundation. But I do have something exciting to talk to you about. So I've wanted to do this since the new year started, and every time we get started on a video, I honestly, like I get talking about what the subject at hand is, and I forget to bring this up. So I wanted to talk to you guys about just being a strong woman. This whole women of today, and literally I'm talking like the last 5 years, we're not even the same women as 5 years ago. So that we are, you know, really taking control and really striving for what our goals are in our life is an awesome, awesome thing. Yet, I love the feminine side of women as well. The makeup, the moms, being a mommy, you know, like being a wife. All of those things are wonderful. So we have a lot, you know, as a woman, you have so many things to grasp and to conquer, yet being a part of all of those things, being the girly girl, yet being in control and a boss as well. So I looked up 25 Coco Chanel quotes every woman should live by, and I am going to say one every video. Coco Chanel, she's an icon, right? She famously lived her life according to her own rules. Her musings on elegance, love, and life are as timeless as her classic Chanel designs. And what I love about her is that she really knew what beauty was all about. So your quote for the day: adornment, what a science. Beauty, what a weapon. Modesty, what an elegance. I love that she embodied all of those things. And if you think about it, you know, I've read obviously all of the quotes, but if you just kind of think deeply on each word that she uses, you can take what you want from that, and it's awesome. So there's my little motivation for the day. Look forward to 24 more. I'm so excited. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure the bell is on so you get notified. Give me a thumbs up on this video, please, and share and tell a friend. I will see you soon, and take care. Bye-bye.